Confidence seems like one of those elusive qualities everyone wants, but few people feel they truly possess. Maybe you've told yourself, if only I could be more confident, I'd achieve so much more. But here's the truth. Confidence isn't some magical trait reserved for the effortlessly charismatic. It's a skill. And the best part? Building it is surprisingly simple once you understand how. First, let's reframe what confidence actually is. Many people think confidence means being fearless or always having the right answers. In reality, confidence is just the belief that you can handle whatever comes your way. It's not about being perfect or invincible. It's about trusting yourself in the face of uncertainty. That distinction changes everything because it means you don't have to feel brave to act confident. Confidence grows from action, step by step. So, how do you build it? Start small. Think of confidence like a muscle. It gets stronger with consistent use. Pick one thing that challenges you but feels manageable, like speaking up more in a meeting or trying a new hobby. Every time you take action, whether you succeed or stumble, you're sending yourself a message. I tried. I'm capable. I'm learning. That's how confidence is built, not in one giant leap, but through small, intentional steps. Now here's another secret. Confidence doesn't start with success. It starts with preparation. Think about it. Even the most seasoned performers, athletes, or speakers practice relentlessly before they shine on stage or in the spotlight. Preparation gives you a solid foundation to stand on, which naturally makes you feel more prepared to face challenges. Nervous about a presentation? Rehearse it a few times. Unsure about a skill? Practice it every day. When you put in the effort, you're no longer walking into situations blind. You've equipped yourself to handle them. The next key? Develop a habit of self-encouragement. We're often our own toughest critics, and that inner voice can erode confidence before we even start. Begin to notice those critical thoughts and intentionally replace them with kinder, more constructive ones. For example, instead of saying, I'm going to mess this up, say, I'm still learning, and that's okay. You don't have to lie to yourself to build confidence. You just have to give yourself permission to grow. And finally, remember this. No one feels confident 100% of the time. Even the most self-assured people you know experience doubts. They've just learned not to let fear stop them. Confidence isn't about never being afraid. It's about acting despite fear. So, start today. Take one small action, prepare for success, and be kind to yourself along the way. Confidence isn't as far off as you think. It's just waiting for you to take the first step. And from there, the possibilities are endless.